Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to buy Canva Pro. So as you can see, I'm now on the home page of Canva, and as you can see, um, on the left of the screen you see Try Canva Pro right there, and if you tap on it you see Try Canva Pro for free. More productivity, more power, unlock productivity for your whole team. Try our most loved features free for 30 days. So you can try Canva Pro free for 30 days, and if you do not like it, you can cancel at any time. And they say we will remind you 7 days before your trial ends. So you can just try everything within Canva Pro, for free for 30 days. So you get 100 million premium photos, videos, and elements, 3,000 premium fonts, and 610 premium templates. Create with ease thanks to magic resize, background remover, and premium animations. Stay organized with brand kits, content planner, and 1 terabyte of storage. So as I say, it's very a great option to upgrade to Canva Pro, and it's very easy. So you can just try Canva Pro free for 30 days, and even if you do not like it, you can cancel it afterwards. So if this video is helpful, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.